Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to English revision class. As you all know, we are in the revision portion of M2 classes which are prescribed in M3 textbook. In today's class, we are going to learn the last sound of the words given. We have few words here. I'll write few words on the board. When I say drum, swing, soap, lizard, I have taken these words for example. When I say drum, dear parents, please help your child in spelling the words. Split the sounds in the words and help your child to recognize the last sound. I am going to help you out how you should help your child to utter the last sound. Split the word drum as drum, and then ask your child, what is the ending sound here? The child may say swing, swing. We have to split the word swing in this way. Swing, swing. The last sound that we listen in the word swing is g. The next word is soap. When I say soap, soap, the last sound that we listen is p. In the same way, when I say lizard, the last sound that we listen in the word lizard is d. In the same way, we have few more pictures in the textbook. Let us move on to the textbook activity. Now we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 5, where we have an activity to write the last sound of the pictures given below. As I have explained on the board, here we have the pictures of drum, swing, hooves, soap, box, pail, pail is nothing but bucket, board, pool, book and lizard. Dear parents, you have to help your child in giving the or in pronouncing the last sound, to identify the last sound of the given pictures by splitting the sounds in each and every word as I have explained on the board. Once again, I am going to tell you the same thing. When I say drum, the last sound is The child has to write here. Swing, when I say swing, the last sound that we listen is g. Hoof, oof, hoof. Soap, soap, soap. Box, box. The last sound is x. Pale, pale. The last sound that we listen when I say pale is L. Board. We can also call it as blackboard. Board. Board. The last sound that we listen when I say board is D. Pool. P-O-L. Pool. The last sound that we listen is L. Book. B-O-K. Book. The last sound that we listen is K. Lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D. The last sound that we listen when I say lizard is D. After completing this, we have one more activity to trace the alphabet in cursive. Dear parents, in the bridge course classes, I have already taught your child how to write the cursive lowercase alphabet. Here we have the same activity to do. Please help your child to trace the cursive alphabets given here. And also, while tracing, kindly help your child to utter the sounds of each and every letter. After completing the activities in page number 5, move on to page number 6, where we have the similar activity to write the last sound of the pictures given below. Here are the picture of lamp. When I say lamp, lamp, the last sound that we listen is P. Leaf, leaf. The last sound that we listen when I say leaf is F. Paint, P-A-N-T, paint. The last sound that we listen when I say paint is T. Mushroom, M-A-Sh-R-O-M, mushroom. The last sound is M. Bell, B-A-L, bell. The last sound that we listen is L. Road, R-O-D, road. D is the last sound here. Octopus. The last sound that we listen when I say octopus is S. Crab. Crab. The last sound that we listen when I say crab is B. Penguin. Penguin. The last sound is N. And the last picture is balloon. B-A-L-O-N. Balloon. The last sound that we listen is N. Dear parents, kindly help your child in naming the words and also help them to split and also help them to recognize the last sound of each and every word by splitting the words. After completing this activity, we have one more similar activity here to trace the alphabet in cursive. Help your child to trace the cursive alphabets given here. Also help them to utter the sounds of the letters. Help your child to complete the given assignment in page number 5 and 6. Thank you.